Hare Krishna, Dhanar Pranam. Firstly, I'd like to pay my obeisances to all the Vaishnava and Matajis, to LalGovinda Prabhuji and Guru Maharaj. So what can I say about LalGovinda Prabhuji? I first came across Prabhuji about 2 years ago during the lockdown when my sister sent a video, and since then I've been listening to his kathas mainly on YouTube, Facebook, and he's inspired many of my friends, families to join Krishna consciousness. Myself, where was I 2 years ago? A long way off. Didn't understand our culture that much, not in depth, and there was a lot of questions that I had people couldn't answer. But LalGovinda Maharaj, Prabhuji, basically he gave the answers to him through Shastra, and he gave proof through the Bhagavatam. And so for me, that was just essential, knowing where it came from. And secondly, I had the privilege of actually giving the chance to actually hold a katha, and that was brilliant. I really enjoyed that, and my children joined in, my wife joined in, and since then we've all progressed with Guru Gauranga's blessing. So yes, thanks to his direction, his explanation, with a bit of a joke now and again, on a lighter note, we've all progressed, and I humbly request him to continue this katha and inspire others just like me to follow the Krishna consciousness path. Hare Krishna.